could be us. So back to what I was saying.
Well, hello there. Let's do the morning question of the day. Let me go get it. Oh my god, it's dark in here. Okay. What am I even doing? Like, what even in the world? Just kidding. Is this a question of the day? No, we already did that one. Wait. Where are they though? Oh, maybe this one? Okay. What is one thing that isn't already taught in school and that should be taught in school? So I would say that they have to have like a class to teach us, like, you know, life things, like things that you actually really need in life for when you grow up and you have your own house and stuff. So yeah, I don't know how that class would be, like logic class. I'm just kidding. No. Yeah, so that was my answer. So don't forget to comment below for the question of the day. And it is, what is something that isn't taught in school already but has to, in your opinion? Yeah. I'm gonna make breakfast right now. And I'm just gonna do the big bread thingy. Where is it? It's right there. This. That was weird. And yeah. Yes. So guys, I'm not doing anything right now. We are washing our clothes. I have something in my mouth. So yeah. And then I'm gonna pack because I'm going home tomorrow. And yeah. And then we are going to a shop. And I have to buy my charger. Yes. And we have to buy some food and all that stuff. So yeah, stay tuned. So I'm doing my suitcase right now. My clothes downstairs. And yeah, and I got the wrong key, so like what the heck. Woohoo. Working. So I finished my suitcase and I have a couple of other things to do. My sister's going out, but my other sister came back home and we're leaving tomorrow. And it's gonna be so much fun because I get to see my friends and my horses. I haven't seen them in so long. Like 3 weeks or something? Yes, 3 weeks. Trying not to forget anything. That would be helpful. So yeah guys, I'm done. Just gotta close this up. And yeah, I'm gonna finish my suitcase and everything else. So yeah. Closing the door. Perfect. And yeah, of course, everything falls. I really gotta go to the bathroom. Okay. Found it. And put in that yellow key and everything. Perfect. Can be elevator. Elevator.